Why use is underscore safe? I'm reading Django documentation on custom filter. And I don't see the reason of the existence of is underscore safe. This URL. When I coded some examples and then tried them, the result were always saying whether is underscore safe is true or false. Why do you use is underscore safe? Here is my code. Extra underscore tags.py. My point is that whether I code is underscore safe equals true or is underscore safe equals false, the result will be auto-escaped characters. And I don't see why we use is underscore safe.
Using is underscore safe together with mark underscore safe is redundant, which is probably why you don't see any differences. As noted in the section you link to, down where it talks about mark underscore safe. There's no need to worry about the is underscore safe attribute in this case, although including it wouldn't hurt anything. Whenever you manually handle the auto-escaping issues and return a safe string, the is underscore safe attribute won't change anything either way. Is underscore safe is simply a way to automatically mark the return value of a function as safe, given that all of the external inputs were already safe. Django will still auto-escape anything that was an input, but it won't try to escape the other parts which were added afterwards by your function. Mark underscore safe, on the other hand, certifies that the output is safe regardless of whether the inputs were safe. It's a much stronger requirement that you have to fulfill if you're going to use it.